Paraguay, a country known for its political stability and favorable business environment in recent times, is undergoing an economic transformation that promises to position it as a relevant player in the region and on the global stage. Three major projects are marking a new course for Paraguay's future. These milestones not only represent significant investments, but also have the potential to change the country's economic structure and generating employment, sustainable development, and new business opportunities. Paracel. The Paracel Initiative This is one of the most ambitious projects in recent history, and one that will underpin Paraguay's future. It involves the construction of a pulp mill in Concepcion, a region in the north of the country. This plant, which represents an investment of approximately $3.200 billion, promises to be the largest of its kind in the southern hemisphere, and one of the most technologically advanced. The Paracel project will not only bring significant economic benefits, but is also designed with a focus on sustainability. The plant is expected to generate more than 4,000 direct and indirect jobs during construction, and more than 2,000 permanent jobs once it is operational. In addition, it is expected to increase Paraguay's exports by around $1.000 billion annually. The factory is designed to operate energy efficiently, using biomass as an energy source and minimizing its carbon footprint. The Bioceanic Corridor. Bioceanic Corridor It's a megto infrastructure which will connect the Brazilian port of Santos, on the Atlantic Ocean, with the Chilean ports of Antofagasta and Medellín, on the Pacific Ocean, crossing Paraguay and Argentina. This corridor is a key element in regional integration, and a project of great importance for the future of Paraguay. The construction of the Bioceanic Corridor promises to revolutionize logistics and trade in the region. For Paraguay, this corridor is a gateway to the world, facilitating access to international markets and reducing the costs of transporting goods. It is estimated that once in operation, the corridor will allow Paraguay to reduce export costs by 20 to 30%, which will improve the competitiveness of Paraguayan products in global markets. The Bioceanic Corridor positions Paraguay's future as a key transit point in trade between South America and Asia, improving its geopolitical position in the region. This connectivity can attract foreign direct investment, especially in sectors such as logistics, manufacturing, and distribution. The development of the corridor also entails a significant improvement of Paraguay's internal infrastructure. Roads, bridges, and other related projects are underway, creating local employment and improving national connectivity. At the international level, the corridor is promoting greater cooperation between the countries involved, highlighting Paraguay as a facilitator in regional economic integration relations. ATOME hydrogen, ammonia, and green fertilizer production plant. The transition towards cleaner and more sustainable energy sources is a global trend, and Paraguay is determined to be part of this revolution, with the construction of its first green hydrogen plant. This project is a collaboration between national and international institutions, and is expected to place Paraguay at the forefront of clean energy production in Latin America. ATOME will establish the plant on a plot of land of around 30 hectares, located in Valletta, approximately 50 kilometers south of Asunción, near the eastern bank of the Paraguay River. The property is strategically located next to the Valletta-Alberti Highway and the Buey Rodeo electrical substation. ATOME already has the environmental license granted by the Ministry of Environment and Sustainable Development of Paraguay, which allows construction. An extension to include the production phase is being processed. ATOME's investment will exceed $350 million, thanks to its abundance of hydroelectric resources. Paraguay has immense potential for green hydrogen production. The new plant will harness energy from the Itaipu Dam, one of the largest hydroelectric plants in the world, to produce hydrogen sustainably. This project not only reinforces Paraguay's position as a leader in renewable energy, but also opens up new opportunities for the export of green hydrogen to markets such as Europe and Asia, which are looking for cleaner alternatives for their energy needs. The green hydrogen plant represents a significant investment opportunity in the Paraguayan energy sector. In addition to creating direct and indirect jobs, this project will attract investors looking for projects aligned with sustainability and carbon emission reduction goals. Paraguay could position itself as a key supplier of clean energy in a future where demand for fossil fuels will progressively decrease. The Paracel Initiative, the Bioceanic Corridor, and the new green hydrogen plant are more than just projects. These initiatives position the country as a strategic player in the region, with the potential to attract international investments, foster sustainable development, and offer new economic opportunities to its population. For investors and foreigners interested in Paraguay, these milestones represent a promising growth environment and an emerging market full of opportunities. The country is opening its doors to the world and is ready to take full advantage of its economic potential and rich resource base. Without a doubt, Paraguay is on the threshold of an exciting new chapter in its development history.